Hey guys, it's me, Joke the Cuber. I'm back with another review of the gans, and this is the new gans 354, and then they have their new GS nut system, and they have their new magnet designs. So basically, the cube is really smooth and a bit slower than Huanglong, but it's really good for two-handed. And right now I'm using the purple nuts, and then the new GS nut system is pretty good. So this is the case. It's better than the old one, so you can't really like the old one, you can't open it properly, but this one makes it a lot easier. Just put it on and then click, then you can't like make it full. And then now the new GS system, it's a bit bigger than the old ones. So here you can see the difference. This is the gans 356, I think, and then this is the new one. So you can see the difference, a lot bigger. Okay, now to the performance of the cube. The cube is really fast, smooth. Well, not really that smooth, but it's fast enough, and I often get good times with it. But you can see that it's kind of too small since it's 54 millimeters, I think. You can see it's a bit blocky-ish. Like, it's not as smooth as the Huanglong. And Huanglong, because there's magnets inside, so it's like a bit, when you're turning fast, it feels a little bit better. Like, but for OH, this is perfect, and for two-handed it's pretty good as well, as long as your hand is a bit smaller, because the cube is too small. And then for people with big hands, it might be a bit hard to use it. And you can see that this is like really big. It's a lot bigger than the gans 356, so you can see the difference like that. And just a little bit of difference makes the time change a lot. So basically, if you're gonna get this cube, I would say yes. If you have the money, it's around 56 Australian dollar. And if you don't worry, because this is not necessarily to have it, but it's good to have one. And I bought this from speaku.com.au. That's it. Thank you for watching my review.